Hey, wanna know how to insert SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, as a first step, we would need to find this pin in box where your device has came. After this, we would need to find a SIM slot, which is located on the left edge of your phone. Here's how the SIM slot looks. We would need to take our pin and insert it into this little hole that you can see. So let's do it. And after you have inserted it and you can feel that it's not coming any deeper, you would need to lightly push on it until the SIM slot will get out a little bit. So let me show you how it looks. Like this. Now we can remove the pin and you can see that the SIM slot is a little bit out. We would need to take it with the help of our nails. And this is it. It's out. Now, into this SIM slot, we would need to put our SIM card. So if we will take a close look here, we can find a little text which is saying SIM 1, SIM 2, and microSD. So on this slot, we can use microSD and also a SIM card, but on this one, we can put only SIM card. microSD won't fit here. So let's put our SIM card in the slot. And also make sure that the SIM card sits properly and it's not falling out. And then we would need to put it back and also make sure that you are putting it the same side like you have taken it out. So we can see that we got hole on the phone here and also hole on the slot here. So just push it in. And this is it. We have successfully put SIM card into our phone. After this, you'd be able to make calls, text, SMS, and also use mobile data. That's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.